Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Interview Question and Answer Part 2. Topic: Question and Answer. What is trigger in Salesforce? Trigger is an Apex script that executes before or after data manipulation language event occurs. Apex triggers enable us to perform custom actions before or after events to record in Salesforce such as insertion, updation or deletion. Apex trigger can either run before or after the record has been saved. These are of two types: before trigger. These triggers are fired before new data is saved to S object or database. Before operation is usually used to verify information that is going to be inserted. After trigger, these triggers are fired after new data is saved to S object or database. After trigger is used to access data that has previously been entered by the user or system. These are events when DML is performed. What is governor limits in Salesforce? Salesforce runs on a multi-tenant environment, which means resources, storage, CPU, memory are shared with other companies on the Salesforce platform. What is future method in Salesforce? It is a method that runs in the background asynchronously. All future methods should have @future annotation. Method must be static and return type should be void type. Future methods will not accept S-object as a parameter. In future methods, the parameter must be a collection of primitive data types. If we want to invoke web services from future method, then define @future callout equals to true. Any asynchronous job is running in Salesforce will be registered with async apex job. Future method cannot be called from another future method. What is queuable apex in Salesforce? When one task depends on another task, then we go for queuable interface. It is used to execute long-running operations like external web service call, bulk database operation asynchronously. If we want to run Apex class as queuable, then implement a queuable interface. It has to define the execute method, public void execute, queuable context QC. When we invoke a queuable job using system.enqueueJob method, this will return ID of the asynchronous job using which we can track the status of the job. Queuable jobs are similar to future methods as both are queued before execution and get executed when resources are available. What is batch apex in Salesforce? Batch apex is used to run large jobs that would exceed normal processing limits. When we want to process a large number of records on a daily basis, then there's a possibility of encountering the governing limit. By default, creating batch size is 200. It broke a single job into smaller parts. When a transition is executed, batch apex ensures that the code stays within the governor limit. Batch apex class must implement database.batchable interface. Database.batchable interface contain three methods. Start method. It is a collection point for the records to be processed in the execute method. Execute method. The actual processing of the records takes place in the execute method. Finish method. It can have post job processing actions like sending the emails, or it can also be used to chain another batch class. What is schedule apex in Salesforce? Salesforce provides a very great feature of scheduling an apex class. Use schedule with an apex class that implements the schedulable interface to schedule the class. To take advantage of the scheduler, write an Apex class that implements the schedulable interface and then schedule it for execution on a specific schedule. It should have to define the execute method. 100 jobs can be scheduled at a time. If we want to know the status of the job, we can write a SOCL on cron trigger object using job ID generated by system.schedulable method invocation. Any job that is schedulable in Salesforce will be registered with cron expression. Cron expression is basically a string of 7 fields separated by white spaces that represents a set of times normally as a schedule to execute some routine. What is test class in Salesforce? Apex test coverage ensures that our code meets certain standards. Minimum test coverage required to deploy to production is 75%. Method test.start is used to start the test. Method test.end is used to end the test. To check the code coverage for trigger must be active. Apex code can only be written in a sandbox environment or a developer or not in production. What is extension? Extension is an Apex class that extends the functionality of a standard controller or custom controller. Apex class containing a constructor is used to add or extend the functionalities. What is custom setting in Salesforce? These are similar to custom objects and enable application developers to create custom sets of data. It is used to store data in Salesforce. Any data is stored to custom setting will be retrieved without using SQL query. Custom setting allows developers to create a custom set of access rules for various users and profiles. These are two types. List custom setting. It provides a reusable set of static data that can be accessed across our organization irrespective of user or profile. Hierarchy custom setting. It is used to store different data for different profiles and users. What is static resource? Static resource allow us to upload content that we can reference in a Visualforce page, including archives such as .zip and .jar files, images, style sheets, JavaScript, and other files. What is pagination? Pagination controls the number of records displayed in each page. It is the process of taking a complete document or a large number of records and breaking that document or large number of records into separate pages for viewing within the Salesforce. What is component? Visualforce components are small reusable pieces of functionality that we use in Visualforce page markup. We can use standard Visualforce components and create our own custom components. What is Lightning Component? It is a UI framework for developing web apps for mobile and desktop devices. It is a modern framework for building single-page applications with dynamic, responsive user interfaces for Lightning Platform apps. Framework supports multi-tier component development that bridges client and server. It uses JavaScript on client side and Apex on server side. What is JavaScript in Salesforce? JavaScript is built according to the ECMA script standard. It's constantly changing. JavaScript in Visualforce page gives us access a wide range of existing JavaScript functionalities such as JavaScript libraries. JavaScript is case sensitive. What is jQuery in Salesforce? jQuery is open source and actively supported. It is the most utilized JavaScript libraries and can easily be integrated into any Visualforce page. jQuery is usually used for manipulating elements in the DOM, animation, or even event handling. What is Ajax Toolkit in Salesforce? It is used to invoke Apex action by using JavaScript asynchronously via Ajax request. Ajax Toolkit supports all SOAP API calls. What is action function? Components that provides support for invoking controller action methods directly from JavaScript code using an Ajax request. What is action poller? Timer that sends an Ajax request to the server according to a time interval that we specify. Each request can result in a full or partial page update. What is action region? An area of a Visualforce page that demarcates which components should be processed by the Force.com server when an Ajax request is generated. What is action status? Component that displays the status of an Ajax update request. An Ajax request can either be in progress or complete. Depending upon the Ajax request status, this component will display different message to user. What is action support? Component that adds Ajax support to another component, allowing the component to be refreshed asynchronously by the server when a particular event occurs, such as a button click or mouse over. Thank you.